we need to build bridges that connect the research world with the market. That is basically deep tech, because if you're familiar with this, you probably know that there's a valley of death right in the middle. There is more failure in pre-seed stages in deep tech companies. Did you know that? And 90% of the startups in deep tech fail in pre-seed series. Second problem, they need more funding. Why is that? There's another study that analyzed the time a company needs to have incoming revenues of 5 million euros. They need 40 to 48% more funding, a deep tech company, than a traditional one. The European Commission has been putting a lot of money to try to close this valley of death and this gap. So how do we take the innovations or the new discoveries that are done in the lab into the market? We have a mechanism called cascade funding. Cascade funding is a mechanism also sponsored by the European Commission, in which traditional projects reserve part of their budget to finance small experiments or proof of concepts or pilots with SMEs and startups in the deep tech scene. We have small tickets. We're talking about 50K to 100K, short projects, easy application process, less administrative burden than in a common grant because they are based on milestones. They are non-dilutive grants, which is also important, and they're probably the initial push a company needs